Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a good Friday. I'm just here at the house. Thanks for everybody about the issue with my back. It's getting better. Thanks again. Right now, I just want to get an update on everything that's going on, and things are kind of slow at the moment. Parts have been ordered. Gotta wait for them to come in. But right now we're waiting on the last of the parts for Kiwi's 512. Hopefully they'll be in here by this weekend, if not Monday. It's almost back together, but like I said, we had to order some parts. So right now what we got coming in, we got the distributor coming in, cap, rotor button, plug wires, thermostat. What else we got going in? He's got the headers ordered. Intake gasket is ordered. He has the pulleys for it at his shop and a couple other miscellaneous things. So once all that comes in, I'll go to his place, pick everything up, and finish getting this motor back together. And hopefully get a hold of Grant Racing Engines and see if they can get us in for a dyno test. And we'll see how that goes. I know Kiwi's still working on the car. I know he's been working on the torque boxes on the Barracuda he's been putting in, plus the floor pans. So hopefully here soon, he can get that buttoned up. Still got to go through the manual transmission. So he's going to go through it and make sure everything's good, and then get the clutch pressure plate and everything ordered for that. And then hopefully soon get this motor stabbed in. I know most of the wiring to the car is there. We need to go from the bulkhead at the firewall out towards the front of the car and get that wiring harness for it. But other than that, that's it on the Kiwi stuff, just waiting on parts. As far as SlagHammer goes, I believe Tony's got the transmission in, and he put the rear chunk in the other day. So this weekend I'll be stopping by there to get an update on that. So hopefully here soon we'll be able to hit that track, get some test hits, see how she's going to do, and see if we need to make any adjustments. But other than that, yes, I'm feeling better. I appreciate it. Thumbs up to you guys. And from my previous video that I put out, yes, the guy's still doing his thing, but you know what? I'm not going to let it bother me. Let him put out what he wants to put out. I know no matter what I do, he's not going to agree with. And you know what? That's okay. I'm going to let him rant and rave and do his ordeal. And I'm just going to keep stroking on. But other than that, guys, this update here. And like I said, I'm going to go this weekend, check for Tony. And if the parts happen to come in over the weekend, I'll go to Kiwi's. If not, it'll probably be sometime next week. We'll get back on that. And I think next week, I'm actually going to try to get my Jeep Commander in here and see what's going on with the front end. It's kind of got a wobble going on, so I need to figure out what's going on it. But other than that, guys, stay tuned, and I'll see you down the road.